few months back, it was rather a year back, last September, I started having some fever, which was constant every day, 9900 or 1. And I had few tests. A few days I took some medicines for fever and all those things, but I didn't get all right. After a month or so, when it persisted, I told my doctor, company doctor, that I want to go for some CT scan and all those things. So I went to one of the leading CT scan centers in Delhi, and I had my CT scan. It was found that I had some problem in my nodes, so they had suggested my doctor suggested for a biopsy. Then again I went to a very renowned hospital where I had my biopsy done. That was in the month of October. When the biopsy results came, well, I was told that probably I have this tuberculosis, and I started having treatment for tuberculosis. However, I was not satisfied myself that it cannot be tuberculosis. So I took my slides from that one hospital and went to another hospital and got my slides rechecked. Well, on there the pathologist told me probably he doubted that I have cancer cells in this biopsy. So I was a little shocked, but not depressed or something like that. It was just I treated it like any other fever or cough or something like that. I went to consult a doctor in All India Medical Hospital. There also they suggested for another biopsy and all those things. So from my colleagues and all those things, one of them had his son working in Fortis Hospital, International Oncology Centre here in Noida. So I consulted him and he referred me to Dr. Manish Singhal, where I started with my treatment. He also suggested for a biopsy, but I wanted my biopsy maybe taken here, but I got those specimen tested at Tata Memorial in Bombay. I took them myself to Bombay, and on 27th of December, the results came that it is cancer. And I was told that I had two kinds of different cells of cancer. So, and it may reoccur. That was the advice given by Dr. Manish. So I also did my research on this thing, and then I discussed with Dr. Manish that why can't we get both the cancer cells treated together. So he said those things are under study and all those, but I insisted that I want that kind of treatment, maybe it is under study, and we agreed that we will follow that treatment. So the treatment started somewhere in the end of December, when I was given the first chemotherapy, and later on this kept on repeating for every 15 days. I think after the second chemotherapy, we had the CT done, and this lymph nodes have revived back. And then this treatment continued every 15 fortnightly, and I didn't miss anything. I kept on going to my office every day. It was only one day I used to get my chemotherapy done on Saturday and used to take leave on Monday and Tuesday. So just 2 days rest, and I used to continue with my work and all this thing. And in 6 months' time, this was totally cured, 100% cured. I was rather having a normal life at that time also, and I kept leading my normal life during my treatment, and I am perfectly alright right now. Cancer is just nothing. I don't feel it. I have treated it like cough, I told you earlier, and perfectly alright. I am very thankful to Fortis International Oncology Centre for giving me such kind of thing. The doctors were very nice, the sisters and staff and everybody was very cooperative, and I had a perfect regards for this Fortis International Oncology Centre.